Are you ready to turn your phone into a portable income stream? Welcome to the guide on earning money from X, formerly Twitter, right from your mobile device in 2026. X/Twitter's monetization landscape is evolving rapidly. By 2026, mobile-first strategies will be essential for success. Let's dive into how you can capitalize on this. In 2026, X/Twitter will offer more direct monetization tools tailored for creators. Understanding the ad revenue share model and premium features is your first step. The best part? Everything we discuss can be executed entirely from your phone. You don't need a desktop setup to start earning. Mobile convenience is key. The foundation of making money on X is creating compelling content and building a highly engaged audience. Focus on a specific niche and provide consistent value. Utilize all formats: viral text threads, short informative videos, and live audio chats through Spaces. Engagement is king. Reply to comments, run polls, and create content that naturally encourages interaction to build a loyal, dedicated follower base. Take advantage of X's native mobile tools for creating and editing video directly in the app. This streamlines your workflow and keeps your content fresh. Affiliate marketing and brand sponsorships offer a lucrative path to mobile earnings, often requiring minimal overhead. Identify products or services genuinely related to your niche and audience. Use dedicated affiliate links provided by the brand or network. Transparency is crucial. Always clearly disclose sponsored content using hashtags like #ad or #sponsored to maintain trust and comply with regulations. Use mobile-friendly link management tools to shorten links, track clicks, and analyze which affiliate posts perform best directly from your phone. One of the most direct ways to earn is through X's ad revenue sharing program for premium subscribers. To qualify, you must be a premium subscriber, have accrued at least 15 million organic impressions over the last 3 months, and maintain at least 500 followers. Revenue is based on impressions and engagement. Post consistently, use trending topics, and create highly shareable content to maximize your ad revenue potential. X is becoming a powerful commerce platform, making it easier than ever to sell products directly to your followers. Utilize X shopping features and product links to seamlessly direct traffic from your posts to your online store or product pages. Promote and sell digital downloads like ebooks, exclusive templates, or mini courses directly through your tweets using link in bio or promoted posts. Let's quickly recap the key strategies for mobile earnings on X and look at what's coming next. Remember, focus on valuable content, affiliate marketing, leveraging premium revenue share, and selling products, all manageable from your smartphone. The platform is constantly evolving. Stay updated on new features and monetization policies in 2026 and beyond to keep your earnings growing.